Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to insert some of the minor features of the insert menu in a Google Doc. If you have your Google Doc open, click on the insert menu, and not too far from the top, you're going to have the option to insert a horizontal line. Pretty basic, doesn't really do much. Just creates a horizontal line, adds some visual spacing between components of the Google Doc. If you click on Insert again, you'll notice that now you can add emoji into your Google Doc. So if you click on emoji, you have a wide range of emoji that you can insert into the Google Doc. Bunch of menus at the top here. Click on them, you can get icons. If you want to, you can search. So let's say we wanted to search for a puppy. Oh, no puppies. All right, how about coffee? Oh, a coffee cup. All right, so we can insert that into the Google Doc. Just a bunch of different emojis you can enter and insert. If you go to insert again, let's look at inserting a watermark. So if I click on watermark, I have a couple of different options. I can use an image as the watermark, and if I use an image, I can scale it accordingly. I can determine if it's going to be faded. There's more options if I choose the image, or I can choose text. If I choose text, I have to tell it what text I want to enter. So once I enter that, I can choose the font, determine if it's bold, italicized, maybe change the color a bit, play with the transparency, determine if it's diagonal or horizontal, determine how text will appear over the watermark. Will the watermark be on the top layer and have the text underneath it, or will the watermark appear underneath the text? So these are a few of the features in the insert menu that are pretty easy to use, not a whole lot to them, but you may find yourself in a position where you want to use one, and that is how you add them.